I'm not sure why I thought this was a good idea. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be doing a full face of Shopmissa. So it is 6:33 in the morning, but I wanted to get up early and record this for you guys before it got way too hot because it's supposed to be in the 90s today. So let's get started. Alright, so next up I have the AOA Perfect BB Cream, and this is in the shade medium. I am also using my Wonder Blender from AOA Studio. They come in a little package like this. I have the purple one in here, but I already had the pink one, so I'll be using the pink one today. Alright you guys, so we're going to be moving on to concealer, and I have the AOA Studio Wonder Cover HD Concealer. This concealer is blending out really well. Oh my gosh. Wow. So next I'm going to set my concealer and foundation in place, and I got the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and the one that I got is in matte translucent. It said translucent, but I'm getting a bit scared. Hey there. Alright, so we're just gonna let that sit there while I do my brows. And I have the AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. Alright you guys, so this is what the brow is looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow off camera. Some areas are slightly crooked, but I'm gonna go back in and fix that. Some areas are slightly patchy. I think I had a bit of trouble with this because it is a bit waxy, but I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off, and then I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back for the next step, okay? Alright, I am back. So for the eyes, I am using the Imma Beach palette. I am going to be using eye primer, and this is their eye primer from the brand Santee. Alright, so I'm going to go with the brush E126. I'm going to set my primer with the translucent powder because I usually set it with an eyeshadow, but none of these colors are light enough for my liking. So I'm just gonna go in with the setting powder. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this light brown color right here to use as my transition shade. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with that yellow shade. So far my thoughts on these eyeshadows are they blend out pretty well. This yellow has some really good pigmentation, so I feel like, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but here in person it's definitely looking the way that I expected it to look, so that's really nice. Alright, so I'm going back in with that brown shade, and I'm going to mix it with the darker brown shade at the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the brush E128, and I'm going to go in with this really pretty shimmery color. I think that's really pretty, but I do want it to be a bit more intense. So I'm going to take the A2O UHD Pro Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to go back in to that shadow and see how that looks. Whoa. I'm gonna go back in with some of that yellow. I'm gonna go in with the brush E129 and I'm going to take this bright shimmery shade down here. I'm going to apply that on the brow bone and on my inner corner. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I am back. Both eyes are done. What do you think? Kind of crazy looking so far, right? But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, apply my lashes, and I am going to do contour after this. I haven't forgotten about contour, highlight, blush. It's coming. Just hold on. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with the, I don't know what brand this is, I forget. And then the lashes that I'm going to be using are the AOA Studio lashes in Alexis. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera. I'm going to do the other eye off camera as well, and I'm going to pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. So for contour, I have this Makeover Essentials contour kit, but I believe it is sold out. And it is a whole like contour palette. It's not just like one shade or anything. Alright, so I'm going to go with the AOA Studio High Definition brush in F5. And I think I'm going to go into that middle shade right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with brush F3 and blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to do my nose, and I think this is like the perfect little brush to do nose contour with, and this is the E105 brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with brush E103 and I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I have this blush from Malibu Glitz. Alright, so this is the AOA Studio F14 brush. Ooh. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with highlight. I have the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade Cream Puff. Alright, and I'm going in with brush E121. Okay, I see you. Alright, but wow, I think this highlighter looks pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna take it down the bridge of the nose. Ooh, yes. This is a really good highlighter for $1, you guys. You can never have too much highlight. If Makeup Queen Nikki Tutorial said it, it must be true. Alright you guys, so lastly for the lips, I will be using the AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hype. Alright, so the lips are done. Yeah, I'm really liking this look so far, you guys. I'm really excited to see how it wears throughout the day. It is now 9:07, so it took me a while to finish doing my makeup. So this BB cream and concealer have been on for a little bit over 2 hours now. Alright, so to finish it off, I am going to be using the A2O UHD Pro Setting Spray. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I'll be doing little check-ins throughout the day to give you updates on how the makeup is doing. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you guys throughout my day. Alright you guys, it is 12:30 something, so it is like 6 hours later. We're just grocery shopping in Target. Hey guys, quick update. I am looking quite shiny and I've been wearing this makeup for almost 7 hours, but so far I think it's doing pretty good. It's been holding up very well. I'm not really all that surprised that I'm shiny. Usually I get really shiny after like 4 hours. My eyeshadow is still on and looking pretty good. It's not creasing or anything. Eyebrows are on.
So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Hey guys, I'm back. It has been 12 hours. It is 6:39. So the selfie I just took, there it is, 91 degrees. It is really hot in here. I am super shiny, kind of sweating. So this makeup has been on for 12 hours and it's been really hot. I haven't done any touch-ups at all. No blotting, no reapplying anything. And usually I blot away any oils that start to peek through as soon as I see them. This time I just wanted to really see what would happen if I didn't. I wanted to see how this makeup would perform all by itself. And even though I look really shiny, I am so impressed. I am really impressed. My highlight is still on. Eyebrows are good. They look shiny, of course. Contour is kind of there. Lipstick is still on. I've had food throughout the day. It's been 12 hours. This eyeliner is actually doing really good. I was not expecting that. I think what has surprised me the most though are the eyeshadows. My eyeshadow still looks pretty perfect to me. It has not budged at all. So let me get a bit closer so you guys can see what my face is actually looking like so far. Okay. But I'm not done yet. Now I want to see if, even while looking like this, if it can be fixed. So after no touch-ups, after no blotting, no reapplying, nothing, I want to see if I can make this look okay again. I have a paper towel here with me because I don't have any blotting sheets. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to reapply the setting powder. There we go. What do you guys think? I am so impressed right now. So yeah, I don't even know what else to say about this, you guys. Let me get up close. And this video is not sponsored. I did not get any of these items sent to me for free or anything. I am not getting paid to make this video. I just wanted to do this because I love makeup. I wanted to do it for fun. And I honestly 100% recommend them because I honestly don't feel like you can beat that price. You know, and I know I keep saying only $1, but it's only $1. But alright you guys, that is everything for today's video. I'm sorry if it was super long. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway open. I'll be linking that down below as well so you guys can check it out if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying until the end. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, I just woke up. What's up? I need some coffee. This is why you tap off the excess. Alright you guys, so last week, oh gosh. I am aware that I have really thin and crooked lips. But it's alright. I mean, you gotta work with what you got, right?